Additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing, allows you to create from a digital file complex, functional, lightweight and customized objects to fit to your needs and tastes. Its use for creating prototypes is relatively easy, but its application in production can be challenging. From ADDvance, we provide you with expert advice to define the opportunities that additive manufacturing can bring to your business, and we help you to implement the most appropriate technological solution. With our training courses developed with the world's leading consultancy firm in 3D printing, we provide you with a clear and personalized training covering all technological, economic and business aspects to make your project of implementation of new technologies to be a success. At the same time, additive manufacturing makes possible to create an object exactly when and where it is needed, achieving reducing stocks of physical stores and, consequently, the optimization of resources and equity, whether in a domestic environment and large and small corporations. To make this possible, in ADDvance, we focus on automating processes as key to the evolution of additive manufacturing. To this end, we have designed a platform, optimized combination of hardware and software where we integrate unique collaborative robotic solutions for each process. Thus, the concept of intelligent factory comes true. In ADDvance, we help you get the most out of your equipment. We work to make creating easier.